For private label sellers, GZone provides a PDF file of your UPCs, which can be printed onto your product packaging or labels. FNSKUs, on the other hand, are not purchased. They are automatically generated inside Seller Central when you create your listing. To activate FNSKUs, go to Settings, choose Fulfillment by Amazon, then select FBA product barcode preference and set it to Amazon barcode. Next, from your inventory management page, choose Print Item Labels next to the product to download the FNSKU PDF. This file can then be sent to your manufacturer or printer to have the labels applied to your packaging. Every variation of your product will have its own unique FNSKU, which normally remains the same for the lifetime of that product under a single SKU. An important detail to remember is that FNSKUs begin with the letter X. If your label instead begins with B0, that code represents the ASIN, not the FNSKU. To correct this, you may need to create a new offer or condition and then print the correct label. Always ensure that only one barcode is visible on your product. If you are using FNSKUs, cover the manufacturer's UPC. If you also sell products in retail stores that require UPCs, you can design your packaging to display the UPC by default and simply cover it with the FNSKU label for the units sent to Amazon. Finally, note that physical barcodes are only mandatory for FBA shipments. For FBM, where you handle shipping directly to customers, physical barcodes are not required on the items themselves. However, you must still have a valid product ID, such as a UPC, EAN, or approved exemption on your Amazon listing.